half of the world's electricity is generated by coal power plants, and there are close to 3,000 large power plants around the world. In this video, we'll show you how coal power plants work. First, the coal is ground to a fine powder and blown into the boiler, where it is burned, converting its chemical energy into heat energy. Grinding the coal into powder increases its surface area, which helps it to burn faster and hotter, producing as much heat and as little waste as possible. As well as heat, burning coal produces ash and exhaust gases. The ash falls to the bottom of the boiler and is removed by the ash system. It is usually then sold to the building industry and used as an ingredient in various building materials like concrete. The gases enter the exhaust stack, which contains equipment that filters out any dust and ash. Before venting into the atmosphere, the exhaust stacks of coal power stations are built tall so that the exhaust plume can disperse before it touches the ground. This ensures that it does not affect the quality of the air around the station.
Burning the coal heats water in pipes coiled around the boiler, turning it into steam. The hot steam expands in this pipe, so when it emerges, it is under high pressure. The pressure drives the steam over the blades of the steam turbine, causing it to spin, converting the heat energy released in the boiler into mechanical energy. A shaft connects the steam turbine to the turbine generator. So when the turbine spins, so does the generator. The generator uses an electromagnetic field to convert this mechanical energy into electrical energy. After passing through the turbine, the steam comes into contact with pipes full of cold water. In coastal conditions, this water is pumped straight from the sea. The cold pipes cool the steam so that it condenses back into water. It is then piped back to the boiler when it can be heated up again, turning it into steam again to keep and the turbine spinning. Finally, a transformer converts the electrical energy from the generator to high voltage. The national grid uses high voltages to transmit electricity efficiency through the power lines to the homes and businesses that needed it.
Coal-fired plants transform coal into electricity by pulverizing it and burning it in a furnace. The burning coal heats water in a boiler and turns it to steam. The steam, under tremendous pressure and at high temperature, provides the force to turn the turbine blades. The turbine spins an electromagnet inside copper coils in the generator, and that produces the flow of electrons called electricity.
Coal power is the combustion of fossilized carbon to produce heat. Coal power plants use heat to spin turbines in order to produce electricity. One of the world's most abundant forms of non-renewable energy. The United States is believed to contain approximately at 25% of world's known coal reserves. The average levelized cost of conventional coal is $100 per megawatt hour, making the fourth less expensive form of energy behind hydropower, geothermal, and natural gas. Coal can transfer into liquid or gas form. In addition to being burned directly, liquefied or gasified coals easily to transform intense to burn cleaner. Coal power plants are a major source of air pollution. The carbon dioxide emissions from coal are a major cause of acid rains and climate change. Air pollution of coal power plants pose serious health concerns. Additionally, the active burner coal releases heavy metals like mercury and lead. Coal is a finite resource. Coal reserves are a product of thousands of years of decomposition and compression of organic material. It is currently being used in rate nowhere near sustainable.
What's coal power? Basically, fire burning from coal is used to rotate an electrical generator, thereby converting the heat energy to electrical energy. No matter what effects at the heat that used in a coal fire cannot be converted into energy. The rest has to be either released into the atmosphere through a cooling tower or into a nearby lake. Other unwanted byproducts include carbon dioxide, coal ash, mercury, and radioactive base elements. Organizations around the world, including the United States Department of Energy, are working towards cleaner and more efficient coal power producing methods. One of these methods are called Integrated Gasification Combined Cycle, or IGCC. Coals combined with the oxygen, then heated to form a gas. Impurity are removed from this gas and turned it into usable products when possible. For instance, sulfur is used to create fertilizer. Plants like Short Pump Power Station in Germany compresses and liquefies the carbon dioxide emissions and stores the liquid into geologic formations. The main drawback of clean coal power is cost and reliability. This is mostly due to the newness of the technology. No clean coal system is perfect. But who knows? Maybe one day the term coal power will be synonymous with the clean green future.